Hello, it's me, it's Mary. I'm coming today making a video on an unboxing of this cute little mini griddle. And that's the name brand. Like I always say, I'm not going to mess it up by pronouncing it, but there's the name brand, and it is a mini griddle. This was given to me, and I chose to make a video about it and let anyone that is interested in this cute little, it has a glare on it, this cute little griddle. It says that it's good for fried eggs and omelets, mini pizzas, burgers and sausages, cookies, and more. And let's see any more good information on here. So I'm just gonna go get right into opening the package, and I'm going to get something to open it with. It's so cute, and it's good for, I guess you would say, one serving at a time, but you could use it for more servings. You just have to do it multiple times. But it was a gift given to me, and I'm just now opening it up, so it's been a minute since I had it. And I'm going to unbox it for anyone that might be interested in purchasing one or using one. It comes out of the box. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. And it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles. It doesn't have a lot of moving parts. The card is attached. This is something that you don't have to worry about losing because the card is attached. Underneath, it has two small legs, and on the inside, it's flat. Actually, I thought that it was gonna be like a little waffle iron, but I'm sure you could use this for pancakes, whatever, and cookies like the box says. And it's a very pretty red, very bright red. If that matters to anyone, this one, I don't know if it comes in multiple colors or not. Now, I have noticed that it's not, the metal part is not detachable. Some of these you can take them loose, take that off, and wash it separately. But I guess you would have to be very careful with just a damp towel, paper towel, or cloth towel. And it has an indicator light right here on top. And let's see if it's anything else in the box. No, there's nothing else in the box, but I'm sure that this is for instructions. Now, the reason I plan to use it is to probably make eggs, overnight eggs. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm going to make another video since I've opened the box, and I'm going to make some cookies in here. That'll be my next video, so you can look forward to me coming back using this mini griddle which is very pretty, very colorful. Like I said, I noticed that the cord is attached. It doesn't come loose. And also the metal plates don't come out. No, they don't come out. So you can't take this out and only wash this part. You have to, I'm sure, be very careful and not get it really wet. Don't submerge it in water. Now, I haven't read the instructions, but common sense says I wouldn't put this in water. And on the back side, like I said, there are 2 little legs. And as of now, I don't know how hot it gets. But while I have you on, on the video, and I thank you for watching, I'm going to go ahead and plug it up because I have a cord close to it. So just bear with me and I'll tell you how hot it gets. But there are no buttons that you can adjust and say high or low. There are no buttons. There's nothing on the sides. But as soon as I plugged it up, the indicator light came on. As you can see right there, it came on automatically. Now I'm going to be very careful touching this, and I'm feeling it right now. The top panel gets hot because I felt the heat. The top and the bottom gets hot. And now one thing you might not like about it is that it doesn't say what temperature it's getting to be. So I guess it would be trial and error. I can feel the heat. It seems to be getting pretty hot. So, and it doesn't have a setting that says only for eggs or only for cookies or pizza. It doesn't have a setting that would make a difference. So you would have to learn by using it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is make a video using it, probably, like I said, for cookies. Now, this is something that you would not want a child to handle, even though it is cute. It's cute. But even the top gets pretty warm. It's not unbearable, but it does get warm. And those metal parts, I'm sure, get hot even around the sides. So this, even as cute as it is, I don't think you would want a child handling this. So that's my unboxing and that's my reviews. This is just my opinion of this cute little griddle. So until the next time, before I go, would you subscribe? Would you hit like? And would you share this video? And like I was about to say, until the next time, practice kindness, and I'll see you when I get back.